All right, so Mr. Haynes, you have 2 cases set. You've expired registration and failure to maintain financial responsibility, and you have indicated you wish to plead not guilty. Are you requesting a jury trial, sir?
I grant the court use of my name for future return on my equity. Your Honor, I have to object because I never made a plea. You made that plea for me. I did not make a plea. I need to make a plea for release.
Okay, so Mr. Haynes, that's not a plea that applies in this court. You're using civil law terms like this were a civil court, and it's not. This is a state-created criminal court. You have 3 options to plead. You can plead guilty, you can plead no contest or not guilty. And by law, if you do not enter a plea, then by law, I have to enter a plea of not guilty for you. You are set tonight for a pretrial hearing. I do not see that you filed any requested motions or anything. I do see that you posted a cash bond. Did you send in any motions or requests pursuant to the pretrial order that I issued back in August, sir?
I did not. I did not see that email. I was looking for those instructions, but I did not. I would like to make a motion to dismiss and for lack of jurisdiction and lack of venue. I'm a natural born person and I have a right to face my accuser. You're telling me that there's a crime that's been committed, and I know that there's no crime against me traveling. Ma'am, I was traveling. My right to travel should not be infringed upon.
So, Mr. Haynes, you filed a motion to dismiss that was heard in court on August 6th. The state responded, and that was the court ruled that that was denied. The court does find that we do have jurisdiction for this charge. Mr. Bishop, is there anything from the state? Any motions filed from the state?
No motions from the state, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Haynes, a plea of not guilty was entered on your behalf by the court because you did not enter a plea at that time. Are you wishing to change that plea to either guilty or no contest?
I asked, for even in the last time we had this hearing, I asked for your jurisdiction, and you're just telling me that it's a state jurisdiction matter. And I mean, I didn't understand how, I have to understand that, and I don't understand that.
Well, sir, you were charged with failure to maintain financial responsibility and displaying an expired registration, and Texas law requires people who operate a motor vehicle in the state of Texas obtain and maintain a certain amount of financial responsibility and that they register their vehicle every year. You are charged with violating those charges, which are Class C charges, and you receive that notice in the citation.
I signed that ticket.
Sorry, I'm not done, which was issued to you, and
Okay.
you also received notice in the complaint that was sent to you in August, on August 12th.
If you look at my ticket, Your Honor, I do not contract with the state. I rescind the contract pursuant to US 15.
Sir, this is not a contract, and the US code in regards to contracts does not apply to Class C misdemeanor offenses in the state of Texas.
You're conducting matters for money, and you're saying that there's a crime committed. I just don't understand. There are several things that I really object to.
Okay,
and like
well,
you
sir,
said,
listen, as you've heard me, because this is your second time to appear in court, you absolutely have the right to go and consult an attorney. So if we have no other pretrial motions at this time, if you do not wish to waive your right to a jury trial, to have me hear your case, we need to go ahead and schedule this for a jury trial.
jury trial.
So give me just a minute to look at the court's calendar. All right, Mr. Haynes and Mr. Bishop, the next available dates for jury trial. So we're going to set these for jury trial on November 13th. That's a Wednesday. Mr. Haynes, we do have our jury trials in person, so you will need to come to the court. I'm going to schedule both of you, the parties, to be here at 8:30. You will receive juror information. You will be able to conduct voir dire, which is questioning of the jury. The jury will be selected. Have any witnesses and documentation ready because you'll have your trial that day. All witnesses and all documents, all evidence will need to be ready at that time. Any questions, Mr. Haynes?
Nope.
Okay, thank you very much. Watch your email. Do check your spam folder because there will be
I'll have to check my
attachments.
spam. Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay.
what I have to do. I have
Okay.
to check my spam.
Okay,
That's
so
correct.
we will send you a reset notice for that setting. We'll make sure to resend the complaints. All right. If you have not received them by Monday, please call my court staff. All right, you're released at this time. We'll see you back here November 13th at 8:30 in the morning. Thank you.